and pollution. The thought, feeling and tangible actions of esteemed Chief Guest, Mr. G. Raj. On behalf of the management and our principal, Sister Maria Sarika PC, it's my privilege to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you, sir. We also extend a gracious welcome to Mr. Liston D'Souza. Thank you for honoring us with your presence on this special occasion. We are honored to have with us our environmental champions and inspiring hope to our leadership. May I now request our esteemed principal to kindly introduce the seasons of creation and share our insights on this important
season of creation stands as a significant period where we unite to commemorate and pay tribute to the splendor of God's creation. Running from September 1st to October 4th, this time frame encourages introspection on our connection with the environment and our duty to safeguard it. It is the moment that calls for prayer, reflection, and decisive action, underscoring the interdependence of all living beings and the pressing necessity to safeguard our shared environment. Here we witness a symbolic depiction of a human chain where children embody diverse elements of nature such as flowers, birds, and animals, showcasing their interconnectedness. Our purpose today is to inaugurate a bird's nest, providing nourishment and hydration to these creatures. Let us unite in this noble cause, taking the initial stride towards nurturing our environment.
Deeper into the current environmental challenges and the need for urgent action, we are honored to welcome Mr. G. Raj as our guest speaker. Please join me in inviting Teacher Lavina Perez to introduce Mr. Raj and extend a warm welcome to all present here.
And kind words that reverberate, we have amongst us Mr. G. Milan Raj, an environmentalist, forest friend and social entrepreneur, hailing from Mangalore, having completed his education at St. Aloysius College. Being inspired from his family, he has dedicated himself to the environmental causes and pursuit of a sustainable world. He is well known for his plantation drive and has the credit of voluntarily planting 4,000 saplings at Karnataka State Forest Department. Along with a huge number of saplings planted over renowned forest, he has the credit of planting 2 lakh saplings in the coastal belt of Karnataka. Besides this, he is an active participant of Cleanliness Drive and has conducted number of awareness drives on conservation of nature and waste management. He is an honored recipient of state and national awards. To name a few: Saffron Foundation Award 2011, Aranya Mitra Award 2013 and 2019, AICU Centenary Award New Delhi 2020 from Arvind Kejriwal, St. Agnes Centenary Award 2020 and many more. Sir, we are glad to have you amongst us and we seek your presence to inspire the young minds to build a love for nature. Your presence has indeed enriched the essence of this auspicious occasion. I request our principal, Sister Maria Sarika AC, to give a floral welcome to our honorable chief guest. A warm welcome to the Vice President of PTA, Mr. Liston D'Souza. We are delighted to have you with us today. I request Teacher Amita to welcome Sir with a potted plant. A warm welcome to our Principal, Sister a hearty welcome to you all.
Conclusion of the symbol representing the season of creation. Following this, I request our chief guest, Mr. Jeet Raj, PTA Vice President, Mr. Liston D'Souza, along with the Principal Maria Sarika and Vice Principal Sister Meena Fernandez, to join us for the inauguration ceremony.
Is yearning for new life and renewal. The symbol features an orb representing planet Earth, filled with waves symbolizing God's spirit. The veins of a leaf within the orb suggest the interconnected web of creation, forming a tree of life. The imagery highlights the healing and life-giving aspects of creation, as well as our role in nurturing and protecting it. By embracing the symbol of the first fruits of hope, we are reminded of our duty to act with hope and determination, working together to bring about a sustainable and harmonious world.
Dynamic street play that uses storytelling to address one of the most critical issues of our time. Our talented performers will shed light on the environmental challenges we face. Please welcome the performers as they present their Nukkad Natak on the environment.
देखिए देखिए नुक्कड़ नाटक देखिए 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 नुक्कड़ नाटक देखिए सेंट एग्नेस आया है सच्ची कहानी लाया है पूरब हो या पश्चिम हो उत्तर हो या दक्षिण हो सबको हम बताएंगे धरती को बचाएंगे ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ बादल बरसा बिजुली किसी ने दी छुट्टी कुछ हो रही है वहाँ लोग बेघर होकर जान हो रहे नहीं विद्यालय में सारा काम उथल पुथल हो गया है उथल-पुथल हो गया है मेरे देश की लक्ष्मी सोना उजले उजले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की लक्ष्मी मेरे देश की धरती
था एक जमाना जब हमारे देश में उगता था सोना।
अब क्या उगता है पता है क्या क्या क्या
अब हम प्लास्टिक उगा रहे हैं, हमारी धरती प्लास्टिक से लिपटी हुई है।
देश को कब्जा करूंगी। कोई मिला दे मुझको, लेकिन बिना प्लास्टिक के कुछ भी नहीं। शायद अगर प्लास्टिक कभी ना होता तो मेरा से ना तड़पता। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए, टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए। टिक 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 कसम ये खाए, टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए। अगर सुन लो तो सुन लेना, हम ये फट जाएगा, गिरती सी हस्तियों का ये पानी रुक जाएगा। टिक 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 हम ये गाए हैं, टिक 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 प्लास्टिक कितना पाए। प्लास्टिक को बंद करवाना है, बंद करवाना है, बंद करवाना है। पर्यावरण है हम सबकी जान, हम सबकी जान, हम सबकी जान। इसके रखो इसका ध्यान, इसका ध्यान, इसका ध्यान।
क्या मैं तुम्हें स्वच्छ हवा नहीं देती?
हवा नहीं देती, हवा नहीं
Thank you, students, for this impactful performance.
Mr. Liston and Mr. Bhuvan are participating in planting of a sapling, emphasizing the significance of nurturing nature and safeguarding our environment, Mother Earth.
has allowed our students to embrace the marvels of nature, nurturing a profound appreciation for the environment. With her at the helm, we are certain our school will soar to even greater heights. Furthermore, I would like to thank our Vice Principal, Sister Meena Fernandez AC, for the support and encouragement. I extend my sincere gratitude to both the teaching and non-teaching staff for your collaboration and support, which contributed significantly to the success of this event. A sincere and heartfelt gratitude to all the